Hello. In this screencast, we're going to talk about the TableViewController. So, throughout the videos that we discussed so far, when you create a new project, there is a view controller, and that view controller is this class view controller, and it inherits from UI view controller, right? Or it extends the UI view controller. Now, what is a table view controller? So now when you go here and you say I want to add a table view controller. So now a table view controller comes or is a view controller that comes already with a table view controller inside it. So the layout already has a view controller in it. Plus it already implements the delegate. So when you look at the table view controller, you could see that under it there is a table view, and it already has the data source and the delegate already wired up. So the table view controller implements all of that. So basically, for me to create a class, I just have to create a new class so that I can point it to this layout. Go here, and then instead of it being the UI view controller, in that case, it will subclass the table view controller, and I'll call it, say for example, my table view controller. Okay. So now this creates the class. Now, if you notice here that the my table view controller extends or subclasses the UI table view controller, and you see it already implements the delegate, and it already has the stubs for the delegate functions and so on. So I don't need all these commented ones, but you could see that number of sections is 0 and the number of rows in section is 0. Okay, cool. So basically now, can we run this? So now let's go to the main view controller and make this view controller attach it to the my table view controller, right? And at the same time make it the initial view controller. So when we run this, you'll see that it will have, okay, here it is. It's a table view controller. It has a table view already inside it, and it already implements the delegates. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that what about the creating a cell? So let's create a simple cell, and I'll just add a simple cell. So yeah, you can add simple cells, or you can use the custom cell approach that we discussed in previous videos. So let's add just a simple cell. Okay, I'll add a simple cell to the table view. Here it is. Okay. So now it already has a cell. It already comes with a cell. So basically, I don't need to add anything. It already comes with a cell. Okay, if you go here, you call it my cell, for example. And I can go here to the table view controller and indicate that the number of sections is zero sections, or let's say we have one section, and let's say we have 10 values in that section, and then we want to implement the cell at, right? So basically, scroll down a little bit, cell at index path. Okay, now we say cell equals table view. Oh, let cell dot dequeue reusable, and we called it my cell. We'll go and check it in a little bit, and index path. Now, something to notice also is that the table view, see, the table view controller already has a table view, self.table view. So it already has a table view. See, it already has a table view parameter. Okay, that is wired up to the table view that comes with the table view controller, right? Return cell, and I could just do cell dot text label dot text equal test, for example. Let's just verify this my cell parameter. So go back here, click on the cell. Yes, that fires my cell. Let's go back to the table view controller, and we turn the cell, and we run it. Okay. So it's gonna print 10 tests, right? Okay, here they are, and so on. You know, it's a table view controller class, and it comes already wired up with a table view and wired up with the delegate and so on, right? Delegate and the data source, and comes with a table view parameter that is wired up to that table view that is in the table view controller. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this was useful. Thank you.